We're here at the drill press now to drill a couple of shallow holes in all 8 of the wooden knobs. This one I have done already. As you may recall from the previous video, we'll be using a couple of magnets in each knob to prevent the wooden dowel from falling out of the storage rack in case it gets bumped. I have already positioned the drill press table to drill a hole at the exact location needed. There's a depth stop to prevent the drill from going too far through. I've found that if I take a sheet of foam, place it over the hole, it'll help support the knob while I'm drilling the hole. So let's try a couple, see how it works. Okay, it's now time to glue the magnets into the knobs. I've covered my work surface with plastic wrap and wax paper. The first thing I'm going to do is wash all the magnets off with rubbing alcohol just to remove any possible oils from the manufacturing process. Okay, they're all cleaned. Now the epoxy I'm going to use is the extra time epoxy. It's not going to take too much. That is plenty. We'll set that aside and we'll start mixing the epoxy. Okay, that should be good. I brought these toothpicks with me so I can use them to place the glue in the holes with more accuracy. Let's give one a try. Let's use this one instead. Just a little bit. And I'm going to just put it on the edges here. Just going to go around the edge. We don't want too much in there. And we'll put the magnets in. Press the magnets in as far as they can go while remaining flush. That's not too bad. I'm happy with that. Okay, all 8 knobs have their magnets, and we'll let them sit overnight to cure. I also wanted to show you the nearly completed 8 dowel rod and knob assemblies. Inside each knob, there are two high-strength magnets, which will be used to attach themselves to the metal washer in the dowel rod supports. I've also glued a thin piece of felt to the bottom of each knob. I put the felt there to help minimize the aggressiveness of the magnets as the magnets approach the metal washers. It still has plenty of holding power, but it doesn't grab and snap real hard when it approaches the washer. Now we'll cut all the dowels to the same length. I've decided on 26 inches. So I've set up my miter fence with a stop, so they'll all be exactly the same. Again, eye protection, hearing protection is a must. One more note about the safety guard. I've chosen to remove my safety guard from the top of this table saw blade. This is my choice, my responsibility. You need to make your own choice with the safety equipment on your power equipment based on your comfort level and your experience. Now that I have the dowels all cut to the same length, I'm going to sand the taper on the end of each dowel. The tapered end should help me insert the dowel into the storage rack easier, and it'll also make it a little bit easier to slide the plastic bags over the dowel end. That tapered end should really help.